Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Look what we have here. This is the brand new DJI Mini 5 Pro, and we're going to take it for a little flight today. So let's check this out. I'm going to set it down here, and we are going to send it out on its maiden flight.
Takeoff.
All right, and there it is. Home point is updated, and you can see me. And I'm going to fly a little bit closer to the screen here. Look at that. It's doing great. And we're going to hit record. And we're just going to turn this right around, bring it down a little bit. And we're going to take this up and see some sights. And here it goes. And as soon as it's out of sight, it's just amazing how quiet it is. We're up at 62 feet. And she's already all the way down there. Wow. I'll pan this down a little bit and take a look here. See the Gandy? There were some people out there before. And we're just going to pan back around. There we are. So we're going to come right back. We're going to pan down a little bit as we come in. And there we go. You can see where some of the Gandy racers have been warming up their tires. That is pretty cool. I really like this new little drone. And we're going to be using this for several of our shoots in the future now. And you can probably see it coming right in. So this is really pretty tremendous. And we're getting some really good views here. I'm going to go up just a little bit higher. I think we're maximum at 75 feet here. That thing will move. It's only in normal mode. That's amazing. All right, we're going to pan around here. We're off to the west side of the Gandy Bridge. And there we go. And as we pan a little further, you can see Tampa way over in the distance. Now we're just going to bring this over for a landing here. Okay, coming into view now, and there it is. We're just going to go ahead and land right here. And I'm going to back it up just a little bit so you can see that. And land.
Landing.
And there you have it. What a fantastic little machine. So we're going to be seeing a lot more of this. Turn it off real quick. So stay tuned, because this little bird is going to be bringing us a lot of great aerial shots and videos that are yet to come. So good talking with you guys. We'll see you next time on D2 Destination. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.